In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Google site. If you've published a site and want to take it offline, maybe you're making major updates, reworking the content, or simply pausing public access, unpublishing is quick, reversible, and doesn't delete your work. You'll still keep your draft exactly as it is in Google Sites. It just won't be visible to visitors until you publish again. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. You want to be in the editor view where you can see your pages, the Insert and Pages panels, and your site preview. Make sure you're on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. The unpublish action applies only to the site you have open right now. Once your site is open, look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll see the Publish button. Next to it, or as part of that button, there's a small downward arrow that reveals additional options. Click that arrow to open the Publish menu. This menu controls the live status of your site, and it's where you can quickly switch between keeping the site online and taking it down. From that drop-down, select Unpublish. Google Sites may show a confirmation message explaining what happens next. Confirm the choice to proceed. After you unpublish, your site will no longer be accessible at its public web address. If someone visits the old link, they won't see your content. Your draft, however, remains safely stored in Google Sites, so you can keep editing, reorganizing pages, or redesigning without any public changes being visible. Unpublishing does not delete the site, disconnect collaborators, or remove your custom domain settings. It simply stops serving the live version. If you've connected a custom domain, the domain will no longer display the site until you publish again. Search engines may still show cached references for a short time, but new visitors won't be able to load the site. When you're ready to bring it back online, just use the Publish button again and your latest draft will go live at the same address. A quick recap: open your site in Google Sites, click the Publish buttons, drop down in the top right, and choose Unpublish. That's all you need to take your site offline without losing any work. This is a safe way to pause the public version while you make improvements, run reviews, or prepare for a relaunch. When you're finished editing, publishing it again is just as fast.